Mayo buntag. Ray, if there's a wall there, how can it be level?
In the middle?
Yeah, because there's no hole for.
And the top. You have I will do the hole and then
At the top?
PVC. This is a level for the file. Here. File around and do the middle. So I will do the PVC here.
Yeah, but when we have to empty,
the empty, the top is you have the clean out. Do the clean out here.
but I thought only one clean out back there, no?
Two.
Two?
Two. Because the two.
So one inside the CR and one in the back?
Inside only. Two. Two inside. Here. This is the flooring. Flooring. And they build that. The middle is level. This one is one part of the do the clean out, and the one part is here.
But if we do a hole at the bottom, then we only need one clean out, no?
No, because the here is no.
But if we put a hole,
For the bottom.
yeah. No?
No.
Huh.
To clean out. To clean out.
Okay.
Clean out her. Clean out her. This area is a acrylic bowl. You see,
Toilet bowl, yeah. Yeah.
And then you have a floor drain for the water go inside for the.
I don't want that water in there. That water should go outside, no? The shower water? That should go outside, no?
It's not funny. Blah, blah,
Huh. Well, that's what they do up there.
You have a flow, overflow.
Good morning, guys. Babe, what are you doing? You're already opening it? Oh, you're supposed to wait for me. Okay, anyway, Jaja decided to go for it, so. Yeah, we're gonna do the radiator today. It's kind of a gray, dull day, so we're gonna swap out the radiator, and maybe I'll get the alternator done today too, I don't know. And these headlights. I did that basically for video content. Well, I thought this would look cool because I like the round headlight style on the Pajeros, on the early Pajeros, but it just didn't really work here. The Japanese design, which is basically early European design, is much cooler.
What's this?
Well, take a look and take a guess. Take a look and take a guess. Careful though, it's a lot of small parts. Okay. Alright. Is that it? One bag? Two bags. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so take a guess what these are for. What part of a car would use so many springs? Take a guess. Think of.
Did we buy it?
Hmm?
That's the one you're gonna fix today?
No, I'm gonna focus on radiator and alternator today and headlights, but just think of the car, how a car works. What are the functions of a car? You have what? Engine? Come on, babe. Just try. Just take some guesses. You have an engine, right? What else in a car? When you drive a car, what things do you need to be working?
Engine.
Okay, and as you're driving, what are the other things that need to be working? That you use as a driver?
Brakes?
Ah. Okay, so
It's for brakes.
it's for brakes. And what do they do in the brakes? Ultimate level challenge.
What did they do?
Yeah, how do they help the brake system? What does it do for the brakes?
I don't know.
How do brakes work? How do the brakes work in the back of the Pajero?
I don't know.
Like, what happens to slow down the wheel from turning? Just what happens, basically.
It stopped.
But how? Like what happens when you push the brake pedal? What's happening back there?
I don't know. I have no idea.
No idea? Okay. Remember when you said the brakes are squeaky, maybe we should put oil on them?
Yeah.
And I said no, because why? The friction, right? Okay, anyhow. We're going too far here. Yeah. All right. Well, I thought you might have a guess there, but anyway, so the springs are to... So babe, when you're braking, when you press... Morning! When you press the brakes, when you press the brake pedal, the brake shoes come out against the drum. The drum is like a disc, and then inside are shoes that go like this, right? They open and press against the inside of the drum, which is what slows the wheel from turning. Those springs bring the shoes back in after you're done pressing the brake pedal. Yeah. We lost you there probably about 2 minutes ago, right? All right, so anyhow, the story behind that, yeah, and I moved the intercooler here, which made a big difference in power. That had to be custom done, but that's also in a video on the channel. Yeah, here's what happened. This is a true story. One of these lug nuts, lug bolts actually broke off. And we're driving, and all of a sudden we hear clunk, clunk, snap, plunk. So the story behind this, one of these lug bolts was broken. So we had it replaced at a wheel and tire shop. And then they put a new lug bolt in, and we were on our way. About a week later, we were driving through Tagbilaran, and we heard snap, pop, crack, all kinds of really horrible sounds from the back. Like, what the heck is that? Couldn't even imagine. And stopped at a nearby mechanic en route. We took the wheel off, we took the hub off. And is what had happened... Wait a second. Believe this or not, what had happened is that the previous the previous guy who repaired the lug bolt left the second half inside the brake drum. So that thing was just spinning around inside of there like in a wash machine, taking out any part that it came in contact with. So it broke several springs, snapped off the spring retaining, I'm not sure what you call it, kind of like a shaft. The spring cap, all of that stuff, and just completely hamburgered the whole inside of the drum system there, the brakes. And I haven't been able to find the specific parts online, so this is for a Suzu, but the springs look the same. Those look exactly like the mangled ones that I pulled out, well, except for that they're not mangled. And then the caps, oh, there's actually quite a bit more. Oh yeah, yeah, so all of this stuff looks the same. These caps are identical, I'm sure. There's no way they'd make multiple versions of those between different Japanese vehicles. So I need a few of these springs, some of these cap things. Ah, yeah, that's the shaft thing that I was talking about. That got all mangled and bent up there, the one that looks like a nail. Anyhow, so finally got those. So now we can get our brakes, our brake drum fixed there.
Pajero, this one?
Mm-hmm. What is Daddy doing? Vincent? What is Daddy doing?
It's a Pajero.
Fixing the Pajero? Yeah. You like Pajero?
No,
You don't?
I like a bicycle.
Ah, you like the motorcycle?
Yeah, not Pajero.
Oh, Pagelo's gonna be jealous now. You used to love Pajero. You don't love Pajero anymore?
Yeah,
Yes, you do, or no, you don't?
yeah.
What's what?
Big wheel.
Where?
This one big wheel.
That's the tire.
Tire.
Where's the wheel?
There.
Right. Yep. Very good, baby.
That was that for fix. Fix this.
Well, yeah, that's so we can fix it. Yeah, take it off and put it on. You're right.
This one.
That's for four-wheel drive. You propel the vehicle. Right. Exactly.
Pajero, running wrong there.
Exactly right.
There down.
Yep, so we can go down the hill. Right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, watch out, baby. You're gonna get all dirty. That's all mud there.
That was the
What's what? That is a steering control arm.
horn.
Uh-huh. I think that's what you're looking at there.
That.
Well, that's just dirt, yeah. So these are the Depot brand. I think they're pretty mainstream decent quality, hopefully. Made in Taiwan. H4 left. Okay, there we are. Yep, left right there. And I guess it's important not to touch the glass on these because the oil from your hands will cause it to do something that's not good. I don't remember what it was, but I remember my dad telling me that when I was probably just starting to work on cars at about 13 or so. There we go. So, yeah, these Phillips still look good. So even though they went through a typhoon and sat outside for months in the rain and humidity and stuff, they're not rusty. So I think the original plastic box actually protected them very well. So there we are.